How to deactivate your TikTok account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device. Now, make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in order to further deactivate your account. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the settings and privacy option. Tap on that and then tap on the account option under the account tab. You will further see the option for deactivate or delete account. Tap on that and then tap on the deactivate account option you see there. In the confirmation that appears, go through the guideline of what will happen after you deactivate your account and then tap on the deactivate button you see there. You will further be required to enter your account's password. So go ahead and enter your account's password and then tap on the deactivate account button you see there. And with this, your account will be deactivated. So this is how you can deactivate your TikTok account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.